Many people's joined Griddle Nation lately, and we appreciate it. Today, we're gonna season up this brand new Blackstone Culinary Edition from our friends over at Lowe's. Hey, let's get started. That's some good groceries. First point of action, let's get it clean. We do that by taking just some water and I just pour it onto the griddle top. The griddle is not on right now. And I'm just trying to get rid of some of the oils, some of the dust that may be on here from shipping and sitting at the facility from Lowe's. And you want to just start off with a nice clean surface. Once you've got the top clean, now I'm going to cut the burners on and I want to make sure the top is nice and dry. Once your griddle top is dry, I'm going to say it's only about 5 minutes on high heat. You'll start seeing some discoloration onto the griddle, which is perfectly fine. Now we're going to start our seasoning process. One part where I differ, I cut the griddle off. I just want the griddle to be somewhat warm to spread our seasoning of choice on, which is this Blackstone Griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner. It's good stuff. I have seasoned a bunch of griddles using this and they all season up very nicely. Now, some folks will use paper towels. I like using a cloth. This is just like a terry cloth towel and I get these all the time, very cheap. I like using them especially for seasoning and I'm just gonna take just like that. And since it's warm, it's gonna wipe on really easily and you don't have to worry about it pooling up on you and causing uneven seasoning. When I say thin, y'all, I'm talking about like you're trying to wipe this stuff off. That's what I mean by thin. Thin coat is your friend. Make sure you get the front lips and the sides and the edges and the back. This is what I like doing, especially when you got a good light. You can kind of just look down, you kind of see where you might have some pooling. The pooling is when, you know, there's a raised spot of your seasoning and that's not going to adhere very well. All right, once you got the seasoning on all the top, the sides, and the edges, and the back, cut the burners on, go on high heat here, and we're gonna let that smoke off. Once the smoke stops, I like to cut the burners back off and let it come down once again to be really warm where it's not smoking. Then we apply another layer of seasoning. All right, first round is done. The smoke has cleared. That tells me that it has all kind of polymerized. Now, I'm gonna cut the burners off. Let that cool a little bit and we're gonna reseason. We're gonna do that another 2 to 3 more times and we're gonna bring you back because I got a pretty cool accessory that I gotta also let you guys in on. Now, going round 3. All right, this right here has seasoned up beautifully. This griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner from Blackstone, like I said, does an amazing job. Now, every so often, will it hurt to clean it really good after you get done using it? Put a thin coat and let that burn off for the first, I don't know, couple times after you use it. It would be all right. It would be just fine. And I recommend doing that just to try to layer on a little bit more seasoning over time. But this right here is still, the griddle's still hot. And all I'm doing is just putting just a little thin, another thin coat on it. And that way I'm gonna store it, okay? And that right there, friends, is a griddle ready for some fried rice, some hibachi, some cheesesteaks, smash burgers, whatever you like. 4 coats later, here we are, nice and seasoned. The edges look good, the back looks good, and that's all. You need to clean it really good afterwards and take good care of it. But wait, there's more. Yes, I sound like an infomercial. There is now a new accessory available at Lowe's, and this has probably been asked for a lot, but it is a silicone mat that goes onto your griddle to keep it kind of a little bit more clean from every day. You got dust, it's spring right now in North Carolina, pollen is already out. Pretty sure everything's gonna be green here soon. It's gonna keep a lot of things out and keep it nice and clean. One thing I wanna look at is it's got a magnetic little holder here for the rear grease management. That might help keep the mice, the rodents, you know, that kind of thing out. Also off of your top as well. Now, what I will want to emphasize here is make sure this griddle top is nice clean and dry. You don't want to put this on with having any moisture on it. That will cause some issues. So head on over to Lowe's and pick you up one of these. Keep your griddle nice and clean. Guys, that's all I got for you today. I appreciate you sticking around. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.